63, 66 Honeyhaven, and 100 to 1 Equinox. Runners gathering at the post. Loading about to get underway. Almanal will be one of the first into the stalls. Sylvester de Souza and Almanal drawn in stall 6. So the first one safely loaded, Nalabor's Sky and Honeyhaven are the next two. Nalabor's Sky's got the blindfold fitted for stalls entry. Eddie Ahern's the rider. Honeyhaven's about to go in as well. Just got the one in so far, Almanal. Ones that are just holding the process up slightly, Honeyhaven and Nalabor's Sky. They've got Honeyhaven in, but we're still waiting for Nalabor's Sky to go forward. Now she's moving in. Nalabor's Sky is half in. Equinox about to go forward. Still waiting out the back, we have Forward March, Show More Faith, the favourite Midnight Flower still to go in, the newcomer Footsteps in the Rain, and also Vagality Ridge, all waiting to go in. We're waiting for Nalabor's Sky to go into the stalls. She's been partly in for a while now, just gradually edging forward. Handler's being very patient with this filly. Using the kid glove treatment for Nalabor's Sky, and it looks to be doing the trick. She's gradually edging into the stalls. Market leaders moving in now. Midnight Flower. Graham Lee in the saddle. Midnight Flower looking to go on better after a second here last time, over 6 furlongs. Newcomer Footsteps in the Rain goes without problem. Forward March is in. Vagality Ridge going forward. Vagality Ridge is in, and they're all in, and they're away, racing over 7 furlongs. Midnight Flower came out smartly for this 32 Red.com median auction maiden stakes over the 7 furlong trip, with one of the first to go on, Midnight Flower, and the keen going Show More Faith. These two disputed it, just a fairly average early pace. They're taking a very strong grip at the back of the field. A Forward March pulled hard on debut and is inclined once again to take a very strong hold under restraint from George Baker at the back of the field in the pink cap. But it's Midnight Flower from Show More Faith, the grey Vagality Ridge with the light blue sleeves, the cross belts and hoop sleeves of Equinox well there. Also just behind the leaders, Honey Haven with the noseband, the all blue of Almanal, and then the black cap with the white star just tracking them on the inside, Nullarbor Sky. Newcomer, the footsteps in the rain, is towards the back of the field, but in touch and travelling okay. Pushed along Honey Haven, losing ground and still under tight restraint at the back of the field is Forward March. But past the three, it's Midnight Flower, the market leader, who has a narrow advantage from Show More Faith. Equinox coming wide into the straight. Just behind them, pushed along Vigality Ridge and Almanal. And then still travelling well, footsteps in the rain will be produced late as they come off the final bend and they head for home. Up front, to Midnight Flower leads them in from Vigality Ridge. Then Almanal in the royal blue, making a run now. Footsteps in the rain, the red sleeves and cap, followed by Nullarbor Sky. Forward March towards the left, making a little bit of late ground, but it's Midnight Flower, challenged now by Footsteps in the rain and Almanal on the near side. Not much between the trio as they go for the line, but it's Footsteps in the rain who will make a winning debut. Beats Almanal and Midnight Flower, close for second. Close also then Vigality Ridge and Nullarbor Sky. Forward March never featured. Then followed Show More Faith, Honey Haven and Equinox, the last two to cross the line.
First number 1, Footsteps in the Rain, and a photo finish for second place. First number 1, Footsteps in the Rain. Here is the result of the photo finish for second place. Second number 9, third number 5, and fourth number 4. The full result of race 3, the 32red.com median auction maiden stakes. First number 1, Footsteps in the Rain. Second number 9, Midnight Flower. Third number 5, Almanal. And fourth number 4, Vigality Ridge.